We're here at Seaside Screams for American Coast Enthusiast event. Brad Miller. Woohoo! Hey. Second, Scott Drexler. You guys can go for me. We go up this helix. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Oh! Oh! It's like Donkey Kong. Yeah, right up ahead here. Here's where it's gonna break us. Oh! Oh, 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 oh. What'd you think of that? Oh! Car crashed the ride. How did everybody enjoy Car Crash the Ride? Caroline cannot handle the spinny. So those are the ones where you spin vertically. It's cool how the other roller coaster is in the middle of this one. Oh! Oh! That was the...
Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Zoco Loco? I think that's how you pronounce it. Zolo Loco? Zolo Loco. I think that's how you say it. They're fighting. I gotta eat a giant one. That is fighting like centrifugal force. Oh! So bad. Oh! So bad. Oh my god.
Oh, what is this?
I'm kidding. What's happening right now?
This thing's are sick.
No.
Oh, really? Why would they have this? It's so dangerous.
I want to fall off in the end. Ah, like make a trippy fall into there. Trapdoor.
What the heck is this?
Oh, Granddad didn't like that thing.
That's fun.
Hydrus looks very shiny now.
Last time, like pirate one, it's like black. It's not that
It's good flag, it ain't gonna matter. You guys can do the slide. Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Holy crap. Wow.
Oh my god.
you guys have fun DJing the Centrifuge?
Yeah.
You get chummy with the chair in front of you. In front of you.
Not a good idea.
How you doing?
This church.
Oh my gosh, here it goes. They don't waste any time. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my gosh. Holy crap! Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god! You really got the... Oh! Nice sea breeze! I can smell the salt water! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my gosh! Woo! You don't really like, it's not a dizzy spin. Oh, okay. It's actually calmer than I thought it would be. It really isn't. It's not like Joker. It's not like a 4D free spin. Look at this view. Holy crap. Oh my god. This is probably the scariest part of this ride, is sitting up here at the top of this thing while they load and unload the person at the bottom. Okay, yep. Moving was fine. This is the part that is, this is a scary part here. Just being up here, not moving. Holy god. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Yeah. I had no problem when we were moving. This right here right now, just sitting up at the top in the breeze. It's a really windy day, so I'm moving a lot in the wind. This is pretty crazy. This is pretty crazy right now. The view is amazing. I'm taller than everything else here. Taller than the Ferris wheel. The water is really clear. Look at how beautiful the water is today. Look at that down there. Look at that down there. I'm up on the top of the Skyscraper in Seaside Heights at Casino Pier. This is a pretty insane ride. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm ready to get down now though. I'm enjoying the view up here. I had a nice view, but yep, the view has overstayed its welcome. So I'm ready. I'm ready for coming down. But this is a ride. This is definitely a ride. So if I was on the other one, I'd be facing west. I'm facing east towards the ocean, so I wonder what the better view. I'll hold my arm up to get a view of that, but okay, all right. We go down now? I think one of the scary parts is I don't know when we're going to start going. Oh my gosh, yep, see? Oh, now we're going the opposite direction. Ah. Where are they? Where's Caroline and the boys? Hey! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Holy! Woohoo! Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, this is a totally different experience when we move this way. Oh my god! Woo! Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh! Woo! Wow! Wow, that was something else. All right, I think the ride's over. That was quite the ride. That was something else. Alrighty. And time to get off now. But that was. I just went on the Skyscraper. That was insane. Crazy ride. That was amazing. It was a totally different experience than any other ride. Great Escape, Adirondack Outlaw. That's the same type of ride, but it holds more people. Will you do it?
Yeah.
All right. Adirondack Outlaw we're gonna do. It's nothing like a 4D spinner like Joker. It's totally different experience. What was your favorite ride?
Centrifuge.
No spinning coasters for Caroline. Now we're gonna go do the go-karts. Ready for go-karts? Oh, look at those kids. They each are in different rows. Going on Hydrus together. I haven't been on this in over 30 years.
The only thing like kind of scary about Hydrus is the vertical lift.
Yeah.
Owen!
We are on the Sky Ride
Owen!
chairlift at Seaside Heights.
Hi!
How you doing, Andy? We forgot our skis, so I don't know how we're gonna ski on this.
Yeah.
There goes Hydrus.
For all the rides.
No idea.
30? Oh, this
Hey, guys.
is pretty good. Better than I thought.
It's like a tilt-a-whirl extreme.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
We're in spin cycle.
This is more impactful than those other big rides to me.
Oh yeah, this is a ride I can't do more than
I know,
once.
I'm shutting my eyes because otherwise I get. Oh, never mind.
Granddaddy's
I have
always
to shut my eyes
using
or I'll be getting dizzy.
improper language.
Oh boy. Because it's a small circle too.
Yeah. How's Granddaddy doing? Good for his astronaut training? He's manually spinning us so we can get off the broken ride. Alrighty then. Yeah. Alright, at least we'll be able to get off. Alright, Owen's first time on Hydrus.
I forgot
And
to
Granddaddy's
tie my
too.
shoes, guys.
Alright.
This is something like that one at that American Dream. That
Yeah,
goes up.
same manufacturer.
Here.
This one doesn't hold us at the top like that though.
Match the ride pretty much.
yeah.
Sure, it's funny. Except we're not rusty.
Whoa! Woo!
That's equipment eyes.
Yeah. And you're like,
The Nitro. Nitro's motor broke. They can't run
Yeah.
it again.
you said you didn't want to be tight. You need to be tight on this ride.
She fixed it.
All right, I got your leg nice and tight.
Good boy. Good boy.
All right.
Yeah, I don't think there's some more rides there.
No.
Okay.
I thought Owen. What is TNT that he was talking about? Woo! All right, I got you nice and tight, Andy. Look at that view. Whoa! Woohoo!
Boy, is that a
Oh,
fast
look
ride.
back here.
Yeah? That's that view. Whoa! Oh. Woo! Oh, it's the timer. It's time to go DJ. Hey Siri, shut off time. Need some headbanging. That's a great view.
Oh, look at the ocean.
Whoa.
Oh, look at me. Whoa.
Whee!
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
Look at me. Oh.
Last time we came, it was raining, so it was so empty. Do you enjoy that? You want to do it one more time with a different view?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice view.
A nice view of the boardwalk.
Again,
I didn't
See
know
the
why
bay?
you go up there.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that.
I don't see the light home.
I have.
Oh, Barnegat Lighthouse,
Where?
off in the
See
distance.
at the snip, that's
Oh, yeah.
singers. Who hated me?
Yeah,
It's a big swing.
All
3,
right.
2, 1.
astronaut training.
Oh, no, not me. I'm not. Oh,
I'm an astronaut.
oh yeah. I'm losing the G. Oh!
Granddaddy is not saying any expletives right now. Sometimes he says expletives on rides.
Come on, come on.
3, 2, 5, 5, 9.
Oh! Who hit me? Oh! Ow!